What's up, guys? So today is gonna be, I don't know, kind of a mundane day, I guess. I'm gonna be picking up my package for Lars. He has no idea what I'm getting him or what I already got him, but you guys will see that. And I don't know, we'll see what else happens, but this is probably gonna be like my last day in Washington. So I also need to figure out where I'm going after here. I have no idea. Maybe I'll head back south. I'll start heading back south slowly, or maybe I'll head east. I have no idea. But oh, also I have a meeting in like 2 hours with a company that I've been wanting to work with for a little while now. So I'm really excited about that. So right now we're about to drive to Starbucks and use the Wi-Fi and join this meeting. So let's go. Yo, so I just had a really stupid thought, but it might not be stupid. It might be a good idea. Or maybe it's too early. But I was thinking, because everybody drives like horribly wherever I go. I think every person drives like a complete idiot. And like, you would think the idea of there being cops would make people not drive like that. But I guess that's not enough. So what if there were like a different type of cop, right? And they pulled you over for driving correctly. And hold up, watch this. And then when they pull you over, they give you like, I don't know, like Starbucks gift cards or something like that. Like they just give you gift cards or like cash or like a puppy or something. It's like random, but it's like good stuff. That also in tandem with like the cops that give you tickets, both of those out on the streets, that might really shake some stuff up. It's probably just early. I need to get some coffee. All right, so the meeting went pretty well. Pretty much they were just telling me things that I can do to like make my YouTube better and get more views, get more subscribers and all that. And eventually, hopefully they'll be interested in managing me, which would be super cool. But right now I'm about to go to grocery outlet, which is right next to Starbucks. And so yeah, it's grocery time. Okay, also astronauts, I want to give you guys a sincere thank you for following me along with this journey, because I just remembered the guy that I did the meeting with, I think he was like the CEO or like the founder. He told me that he has never seen a channel grow as much as my channel has in the amount of time that it's been out, which I think right now it's at like 8 or 9 months that we've been doing this on YouTube. And he said he has never seen anyone grow that fast. So thank you guys for joining me. Lars is being crazy right now. But thank you guys for joining me on this journey, and there's so much more we got to do. So hopefully you guys are here for the long haul, because I know I am. Yeah, so I just got groceries. Now we have to go pick up the package for Lars. And yeah, so let's go. Also, I just bought a week's worth of groceries and it was 68 bucks. So yeah. Would you guys want to see a video where I like break down like how much van life costs, like my expenses for food, gas, and all that other stuff? Let me know if you guys want to see that, and I will get started on it. Time to secure the package for Lars. Are you going in there?
Yeah.
Got the package. So I am outside of Starbucks. I wanted some coffee, but also I want to save money. So I just went in and got a cup of ice. And to that, we are going to add some espresso. Oh God, Lars. Half espresso, and the other half we're going to can y'all hear Lars sniffing the camera? Pumpkin spice cold brew, because it's fall time, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be like a basic fall time person, because I usually spend the fall time in the hot, and I have not been hot all summer, and the fall time is also starting off great, so I'm having a great time. So I'm gonna indulge and be basic and make myself a pumpkin spice cold brew latte. And this looks really good. Oh yeah. Look at that. And I didn't have to pay $5. So I'm gonna drink this, get my morning started, and then I'm gonna clean the van, and then we'll be opening Lars's package and seeing what's in there. Also, I had a package that I bought for Lars and for me, and the one for me said it wasn't gonna be here for another few days, but I just checked and it said that it just got delivered. So that was the only reason why I was staying in Washington. So I might be leaving as soon as like tomorrow, to be honest, and I still have no idea where I'm gonna go. So yeah, I guess I gotta figure that out, but cheers. Okay, so I'm procrastinating and Lars is now on the box staring at me. So I'm gonna clean and go ahead and open the box for him. All right, Buffy. He's like, hurry up. Okay, I just completely took apart his old cat tree, and now it's time to clean. Clean, Bubby. All right, van is clean. It is now time to put together Lars's new cat tree. Okay. That looks good. That looks pretty good. Now let's grab Lars. Big stretch. Look what I got for you. Look. Look at that. You like it? He's got scratching posts, a little hammock part, another hammock part, a little inside part, and a bigger, wider base to lay on. He can actually fit in this one. Yeah, look. You like it? Yeah. I think he likes it. Okay, so like a true cat, Lars just left his amazing cat tree that I just built and hopped in the box. How dare you? Really? I just parked for the night, put up the window covers and everything, and now it's time to make some dinner. I'm just gonna make some tacos real quick and then go to bed. He still has not gotten in his cat tree on his own. I'm assuming it's just gonna take him a little while to get used to it. He was confused when I threw out the other one. He loved that one. It's okay, Bumpy. This one's better though, it really is. It's like taller. It's got more areas for him to be, wider. Yeah, there you go. See? Shout out to Quadeca. This is a weird one, but follow me here. It looks like you're trying to be. Been towards the side. I know you say there's no one for you. Well, there is one. These are the best tortillas, by the way. They're flour and corn.
just can't.
I ain't even in. Gloria.
What's happening?
Hey, Miguel! Come on, go easy on the kid. He had a terrible teacher. He had no chance.
Peter!
Oh boy.
Trying to hold a serious adult conversation here. You know, you're the only Spider-Man who isn't funny. We're supposed to be funny. The fate of the multiverse. You always lose me. Miles, you disrupted a canon event.
Canon event?
The kid wasn't thinking. That's not how he works.
That's insulting.
Taking a crap on the establishment, I submit you.
Wait, what are you...
You all knew? I didn't know how to tell you.
I think that's going to do it for me tonight. And I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Peace.